can't believe you guys found me. You're better explorers than this Shackleton guy. Ernest Shackleton. Ugh. Oh, you'll be happy to know I kept this safe. There's just one small problem.
Well, this sucks.
I have a plan.
Up has a plan.
Good, what's the plan?
Yeah, what's the plan?
Now what?
And she's gone.
Did she just abandon us?
No, she wouldn't abandon us. We just talked about this, and Up just promised me that she wouldn't do this kind of thing anymore, so no. She'll be back. She's probably just gonna Okay, she might have abandoned us. Up runs off, and I'm left pounding a rock. Oh, I should have known. What's this doing here?
What is that?
Wait, did you hear that?
Hear what?
Oh,
To the rescue!
he's coming for the toy!
See that shiny necklace on hers? Fight it.
You broke Master's chain. No one betrays Master.
This isn't fun anymore.
We got it!
Get home without that
Play this game?
We're playing a game?
Hey, have you guys seen Haas?
Well, wait!
Oh, crap.